I'ma celebrate. Sinaswona ma celebrate. Sinaswona ma celebrate. I'ma celebrate. Awolilo. Uncle Sammy sanibonani Nquthu. Uncle Sammy yo angisajabulanga ukuze KZN. Uncle Sammy ngicela ningihlabeleni imbuzi ngibe umZulu straight. Okay, ngiyabonga kakhulu Nkosi yami ukuthi nikwazi ukuthi ningamukele lana. Actually, nisamukele because sibaningi esibuye eJohannesburg. So thank you very much. Oh, Richards Bay as well. Okay, thank you. I'm Jordan Shilo, Fundi, and voted for by the public. I am the president of Sweet Guluva's fans in Gauteng. So as you know, we had a special gift for Guluva, or special gifts. We also recorded a song for you to honor you, you know. So that song we want you to actually, you know, celebrate with us, dance with us, you know, let's be happy together. But most importantly, we are of course having gifts that were contributed by, of course, let's say TikTok fans, Facebook fans, and WhatsApp fans. Those fans are from all around the world. I'm talking in Nigeria, Uganda, Tanzania. They have been trying to get a hold of us, and they did talk to me and Usisimesi and the other people. Then we managed to donate. We have a very special check for you that we would like you to actually, you know, receive and celebrate. So Jordan Shilo, but we have a song for you. So select a piano and Nquthu. So if you rejoice together and have fun on this song, then we'll give you the gifts. So